There's a lot of women out there, a lot of styles of women, but there's always those few women that you're gonna wanna date at least once in your life. And today I'm gonna show you the 6 types of girls that are gonna treat you right. Let's hop into it. Number 1, it's the hot one. Yes, I'm making this one number 1. I don't care what anybody says. You got to find a girl that's attractive in your eyes and not just some girl you're settling down with just because you're comfortable. Bro, you're gonna be looking at this girl for a very long time if you want a long-term relationship, meaning that if you're not in love with what you see, you're always gonna feel like you have less than, and you're always gonna be looking out there for more. Number 2, I call this girl, let's call her the fashionista. Yes, she might be a little bit expensive, but yo, if you can afford it, this girl always looks on point, especially next to you. She's gonna be matching your vibe and your style, which, let's be real, your parents are gonna love and your friends are gonna be envious of. And I know what you're thinking, Jose, do you really think I wanna spend my whole weekend on the mall? Bro, you already know, we are dropping this Saturday our new temp company called Awe. This is gonna be revolutionary, and it is the one thing that I am the most proud of. This new company we are launching will change how you shop forever, literally. See, over the last 2 years, we've been creating a company where you can get same-day delivery for any retail goods, whether it's Sephora because you want fragrances or beauty products, or it's Zara or H&M or Nike, whatever brand you can think of. Here in New York City, you can shop from our Awe app and get it delivered same day. So not only is that revolutionary because there's no other company doing this, we're also solving the problem with returns. I can't tell you how many times I've bought a product and I'm just too lazy to go return it. I don't want to go to the store. I don't want to have to box it up, label it, and go to UPS to deliver it. Somebody needed to fix this, and again, nobody was doing it, so we decided to create a solution for it. So not only can you get same-day delivery for goods, you can also do same-day returns. So say you try the product out, you're like, you know what? I'm not liking it. Right from the app, you can click return, leave the product outside with your receipt, and one of our delivery executives is gonna handle the rest. Bro, think about that. The speed, the ease. We literally took the best parts of retail, the best parts of e-commerce, and recreating a new way to shop. And boys, this is just phase 1. We have about 10 more phases of this app where I promise you, and every single phase, we will innovate to make this a whole new experience, a revolutionary and innovative shopping experience, unlike anything that's out in the market, which is insane because you get to be part of this. You're seeing this. You're gonna be first in line to this. And this Saturday, when we drop May 14th, you can place an order. If you live in New York City, I want you to try it out. I have dumped all my cash into this. I have worked over 2 years into this completely in-house. We're not funded to create a product like this. I want you to understand, boys, this right here, this is the pride and joy. This is where we innovate, and I would love for you to click the link down below, download the app, and be one of the first guys to purchase this May 14th. This Saturday, buy a product if you're in New York City. And don't worry, for all the other major cities, we're gonna be there later this year. Number 3, the smart one. See, the smart one I like because they understand the hustle and grind. My wife is a genius. I always say it. My wife is smart, bro. There's brains up there. She's not just pretty. And what I love about that is that I can connect with her. I can actually have an intelligent conversation with her, which ends up connecting us at a more emotional level. And she's super down to earth. Having that smart chick, yo, that smart chick's really hot if you can find a hot one. 4, the caregiver. I'm not saying you should be looking for a mom, but as a man, if you're on your purpose, if you're grinding every day, your chances are you're gonna feel beat up at the end of the day, right? That's just the nature of its course. So when I'm feeling beat up at the end of every day, or when I'm sick, or when I'm feeling like crap, going home to that wife that's a nurturer, that's a caregiver, that licks your wounds, that heals you up, that's rejuvenating, bro. That's peaceful. That's the type of girl that will always treat you right. Number 5, the personal connection. One-night stands might be fun here and there, but they're more of a workout than anything else. Other than the 10 seconds of excitement you're gonna feel when you bust, that's about it. Versus the girl that you actually have a deep emotional connection to, the one that you can actually relate to, the one that you actually want to spend time with, that's not necessarily just sex, because that one will actually be the better sex. Ultimately rolls us to number 6, the feminine one. Do you really want a girl that matches your masculine energy so you can have screaming matches all day long? You want a delicate flower, tender, soft, something that you can protect and take care of, something that complements your energy and not matches it. That girl will always treat you right. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. And don't forget, boys, this Saturday, we're dropping our way. I'd love for you to be part of this. This will change the game. That's it for your boy. See you next time.